While out on a boat, this family spotted a sea turtle entangled in debris, struggling to survive. The dad jumped into the water to guide the turtle back to the boat so they could help. The poor turtle had a rope tightly wrapped around its neck and can be seen gasping for air. Acting quickly, the family used a knife they had on board to carefully cut the rope. It's unclear how long the turtle had been trapped, but it was incredibly fortunate that this compassionate family came across it.
All right, get this in so it don't hurt.
Once freed, the turtle finally took the deep, desperate breaths it had been longing for.
Oh, poor baby. He said, all right, you ready?
Very good.
After allowing it some time to recover, the family gently returned the sea turtle to the ocean.